Hello guys, uh, today video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for a printable party invitations business. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So here first you can choose the topic of your business. If the topic isn't here, you can just select all templates, and then you can type online store and also services. So you can choose one of these templates. You can start with one of these, and also you can build your own templates here. So let's get started. So here you can type your business name, and here you have to build your homepage section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intersection, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive. So you can do anything to attract people and customers to make your site looks better. uh, so the first section, the product section, and the services section, about section, and the social section, the form section, and the footer section. So let's continue. Add page to your site. Let's move on. Choose the color palette. You can choose any color you like, any color match with your business, and choose the font. Okay, and now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website, or if you want to just skip this. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your home page right now. You can edit it from here. Click edit, and first thing here you have to do, you have to change the text here to introduce your brand. Welcome to our site for printable invitation, no, printable party invitation. So now we can change the text on this label. Now let's move on to this section. So here you can edit the grid and the gap, the section, the full screen, the height, and the alignment. And in the background you can select just a simple art, or if you want to add image as a background. So click here and go to the free image and search on printable uh, party invitation. Okay, I'm gonna choose just one of these here. for example this. If you wanna add something new, just click here and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Also, you can add anything in your section, image or video or button, text, whatever you like. Now let's move on to the site header. You can here change the site title. You can upload the logo image as a file or select from library, or you can add the mobile logo image. Here you can customize the element section, the button and the social links, and also you can edit the social links here. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. First, so you can edit the section, the title and the button, the content. So here you can type the product name. So here you can you can add the product name and the price, and in the background you don't have to add image as a background, just a simple art. You can select just a simple art like this. You can edit the content, the section, the title, and the button, the items. So here you can add your image here if you want. Just click here, and also you can move the section. You can move it up or down. You can save it from this search icon, and you can duplicate it from here. Here you just you can add just a simple art, the same thing as normal. Here you're gonna tell people about who you are, your origin, your process, and your inspirations. Also here, follow us on Instagram. The social links, you can add the social links here, your Instagram account. And here instead of this image, for example, you can add a map, your location. That's it. Click here and you can add the business name, the address, the city and the state and the country. After this you can change the design of the map, and on the background you can just select a simple art like this. So this is the last section. So you can edit it, just a simple art, the same thing. That's it. Now if you're done from designing your website, now you can just save this and go to the selling section, add the product to your inventory and add the way to get paid, and after this choose the subscription plan, and the last step is launch your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for printable party invitations business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.